Russian Spacewalk ESA, or European Space Agency, will be conducted by Oleg Artemyev, EV1 in the red stripes, and Samantha Cristoforetti, EV2 in the blue stripes. To start the spacewalk, crew will egress the Poisk airlock with the nanosatellites bundle and a crew lock bag. Samantha's first task will be to install the Glisser M camera on a Zvezda handrail. Oleg will translate and ingress the Strela operator's post, facing station aft. Samantha will assist with the handoff of the nanosatellites bundle to Oleg. Oleg will deploy 10 nanosatellites in total from the operator's post. Once complete with the nanosatellites deploy, EV1 will take the tethers and protective covers back to the Poisk airlock. EV2 will turn off and retrieve the camera from the Zvezda handrail. Crew will then retrieve the European Robotic Arm, or ERA, adapter from Poisk and translate to the passive base point. The team will work together to remove the platform and install the ERA adapter in its place. Both EV1 and EV2 will use the Strela boom to translate the released platform from Poisk to the Nauka module. They will remove the protective cover from the passive base point and install the platform. Oleg and Samantha will then translate the ERA end effector 2, where they'll remove a protective cover from a camera. Afterwards, the crew will then translate further nadir to the ERA control panel, where they'll set it to stowage mode. Oleg will break off and reconfigure the MLI on the Nauka module. After Oleg is complete with the MLI task, he will lead the translation back to the end effector 2, where crew will reinstall the camera cover. Oleg and Samantha will leave the ERA end effector 2 worksite and translate Zenith to the Strela end effector, where they have a short task to install a retainer. After the Strela task, the crew will translate Zenith to the Zarya module. They'll then translate station forward along the Zarya module to the Strela 2. Samantha will translate nadir to the end effector, while Oleg translate to the operator post. Samantha and Oleg will work together to maneuver the Strela 2 end effector over to the Poisk module. Oleg will complete the task by translating to Samantha at the Poisk module. Crew will then install a retainer at the end of the Strela 2 end effector and translate back to the Poisk airlock. To finish up, both Oleg and Samantha will ingress the airlock, ending Russian Spacewalk ESA.